What is going on, everybody in Matt Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy A71 5G. Now this phone, I'm pretty excited about. My first 5G phone. Stay tuned. So, Matt Squad, here we are with the Galaxy A71 5G UW on Verizon. Pretty excited about this phone. I'm not 100% sure on the exact specs because I read that it's 6 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of RAM, all depending on which variant that you have. Yes, this device has the Snapdragon 765 inside, has a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, a quad camera setup on the back. You have a 64 megapixel main sensor, which is wide, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 5 megapixel macro, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Now this device also features an in-display fingerprint scanner, my first phone with a feature like that. Headphone jack, which is a positive. USB Type-C for charging. You also get a loudspeaker on the bottom. And also you have a SIM tray slot on the top of the device. Now when I actually got this phone here, I was considering the Galaxy Note. But once I realized how strange Samsung is when it comes to putting certain features in a device that cost a little bit more money, the SIM tray slot is something that I probably can't really sacrifice because I shoot a ton of video. So the fact that the Galaxy Note model that I was considering to get doesn't have a SIM tray slot was really a turn off for me. And I decided to go with the A71 because you get 5G, of course, the 765 Snapdragon CPU. And the device also features 25-watt fast charge. So I am pretty excited about that there. Right now, what I'm going ahead and do is go ahead and get some information inside the device. And I'm going to give you guys this one thing here that I was saving for the video. We're going to peel off this plastic and get that first look of the color without nothing on it. Ooh. Oh, wow. I didn't notice. Oh, it looks a little, listen, the camera isn't doing it justice. It's actually a bit of extra detail in the back of this here. It's like a little pattern in the back. Never actually realized that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get some information inside this device and I'll see you in about a few seconds. About that, Max Squad, so here we are. Installing the applications here on the Galaxy A71 5G. Getting ready to actually put this 25-watt charger to use here. I'm just curious to see how fast the device will charge. As you can see, we're installing everything here. Let me go ahead and cut this brightness down so you guys can see it a little bit better. But yeah, this is a full HD display. It's super AMOLED. Very, very excited about having this phone here, y'all. Can't put it into words enough here. Currently shooting this video here with the LG G8 here. You can see that quad camera setup. Sorry about the phone being so dirty on the back. I literally don't have a case for it. Probably won't get one until Friday this week. It is currently Wednesday. But yeah, this phone has a lot of features in it. Probably a little bit more than any phone I have besides the LG. But beautiful display, beautiful cameras. Front camera can even shoot 4K 60 frames per second. 4K 30 frames, 1080p 60 frames per second on the front camera. Definitely impressed with this device so far. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put this here to use because I am curious here. You can see it is USB Type-C to C. So with the Galaxy A71 here, got some information on it. You can see the storage is about 128 gigs and the memory is 8 gigs of RAM. So yeah, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. You also get a micro SD card slot for external storage. You can see on the top of the device there. It looks to me like a noise canceling mic is on top of there. You get your power button on the right side of the device, volume up and down keys. If you look over here to the left, it's pretty smooth on this side here. And as I said earlier, headphone jack, USB Type-C for charging, and loudspeaker. The front camera, by the way, is a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And when I say crispy selfie photos, I'm not exaggerating. These photos on this device for selfies are really, really good to the point where you might be able to take a better selfie photo than the rear in terms of convenience. Because yeah, I'm not gonna be too upset if my camera or my selfie camera is 32 megapixels and the quality of it is actually really, really good. Can't really be too mad about that. And then on top of that, You're shooting at 60 frames per second if you want to as well. Yeah, this front camera is awesome on this device here. So yeah, Mac Squad, let me know in the comment section below. What type of content do you want to see here with the Galaxy A71 here on the channel? I'm definitely going to be doing my usual, as I said earlier, battery tests, speed tests, first impressions, all the above is going to be done with this device here for sure. And if you are new to the channel here, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any coverage when it comes to budget devices like the Galaxy A71 5G. And Mac Squad, like this video here so that other people just like you can get a little bit more help when it comes to researching budget devices like the Galaxy A71. And then you get to see unboxing videos, speed test videos, first impression videos, all the above pretty much. Makes sense, right? And last but not least, share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.